Hey everybody,
Hi.
welcome back. And for this one, we are drawing Silica,
Yep.
the little lion-looking character from Elemon.
Yippee.
I did bring silica.
Okay, so easy.
Yep.
We're starting in the middle here with the head. So Silica has got perfectly round eyes. So we're going to try to draw two neat little circles as best we can. Yep.
Yep.
Okay.
Well, I didn't watch that one episode of Elemon. Well, she did confuse. You know what that cat name?
Salty is.
Yes. Miss with Octo. Now you're like a teleporter. Let's continue.
Okay, let's continue. So I'm gonna do a little triangular shape there on that side of the eye and on the inner side but towards the bottom. We're gonna do the same on that side and there. You got that? And now we need to just draw like a sort of a line there around to thicken that part of it. We thicken that part of it as well. Okay. So now we're going to draw multiple reflections. We're going to draw about, so watch me, I'm going to draw two. One there and a little one there. One there and another one there. So just like two little reflections. That's good enough. Okay. And we know our usual nose shape for the animals, which is basically an upside down triangular shape. Got that?
Yep.
And now we do the two lines going out like a smile. And we just connect that. But we do two little teeth.
Well, I know Julie's afraid of the beetle.
So Silica is afraid of a beetle.
Yeah, well, I didn't want to be so she's not afraid of beetles anymore. If a lot of
Oh,
them,
I
she's
see.
getting afraid.
So she might not be afraid of beetles anymore. Okay, so
If a lot.
if there's a lot.
Yeah.
So now we need to draw silica crystals on this, like little, looks like diamonds. So watch me. I'm gonna draw like that and like that. Now we draw it down and we bring it down to the middle. You got that?
Yep.
And we bring these lines together. That looks like a little diamond, a little crystal. Okay. And we do one on the side going out. You got that?
Yep.
And we bring it to a point there. So it's like 3 pieces of crystal on the head. Got that?
Yep.
And now we draw just lines connecting to that side to make it look like a diamond. You got it?
Yep.
That's good, that's good. Okay, here we go. So now we need to draw ears, but the ears looks kind of cloudy. So I'm going to draw rounded, cloudy shaped ears. And on the other side as well. But in the middle, peaky shaped, like spiky shaped hair. And now for inner ear as well, for the inner ear part, also with these cloudy shapes. And another one this side. There we go. And now some more of these peaky shapes on the side of the head. Peaky shapes. And we draw the bottom line of his face.
Okay.
Yep. And now some more crystals. So we can draw a big one coming out here.
Okay.
And doing the same on the side. You got that? Some big crystals. And just make it look diamond shape by adding. And we add a little one on top of that one. And another one here. A smaller one at the bottom of the big one as well. So it's just shapes we draw and fold in with the lines to make it look like crystals. And this side as well. And this one as well. Just make lines in there to make it look like pieces of crystal, like salt or sugar even, but silica in this case. Okay, so now along the front we're going to draw just a few more of these spiky shapes for the chest.
Okay.
We're going to draw two lines coming down on either side, so it looks like the legs in front. Draw some spiky lines there.
Is that the tool?
No, it's not the claw, it's just like fur, but in the, yeah, it's like fur. And now the claws, very sharp looking claws. But the claws are also the same color as the crystal, it's like crystal claws. And a claw in the middle, a claw on the side here, and another claw on the side to make it sharp. And then we have some fur on the sides, the spiky fur is on the side of the character. And here at the bottom we just make a line. Okay, now I'm going to draw. Do you have space here? And not space. Okay, so at the back, so we're looking at Silica straight on. So at the back here, we're going to draw a tail coming up.
But then I make mine.
Okay, where's the tail gonna go? Okay, and then on the tip of the tail is another big crystal with smaller bits on the edges. Let's see, can you fit it in? There we go.
That is
And there we go, everybody. That's our silica. But now we need to color silica. So silica is mainly yellow. With these stay white, the crystals can stay white, but with bits of pink and blue shading in the along the lines.
yeah. Can I come to you about fusing what do you call it?
What, the blender? Of Elemon, fusion blender.
I made a cat.
I can't remember. Let's color. Let's get this going. So we need the yellows and oranges, I suppose. What color would you say is more yellow than orange, or more? Yes, so the inside of his ears is darker than the rest of him. So we can make orange on the inside of his ears and yellow for the rest of him. And the crystal stays light color.
Yeah.
Okay, so here we go. Let's color. And there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
That's Silica. What Silica looks like she's a lion cub or just another kitten. What do you think, Lindsay?
Well, we have a teeth.
Yeah.
Like very sharp teeth like this.
Very sharp teeth.
And she has claws. I mean.
She's got the claws and she's got a mane like a lion. That's why I think it's like a lion.
Yeah,
Just all mane and the tail with a tuft on the end. Yeah, it is like a lion. So I'm gonna say that Silica is a lion cub.
me too.
You agree? That's correct? Yep.
And so I don't like the fur in the legs. Being in Elemon on YouTube.
Okay. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like, do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos. Be good
And have fun.
and have fun. Bye. Let me take pictures.